Welcome to my YouTube channel Safety Guidelines. My name is Fahim Azam, and in this video I shall share some basic tips on playground safety. What is a playground? It's an area or a place designed to provide an environment that facilitates playing, typically outdoors. While a playground is usually designed for children, some are designed for other age groups too. My review today is for children only. And the outline is: number 1, safe surface; number 2, protected area; number 3, dangerous hardware; number 4, hazards; number 5, tips for parents; number 6, tips for children; number 7, key points to remember. Safe surface. Make sure equipment around playground surfaces have at least 12 inches of wood, chip, mulch, sand, or pea gravel, or are pads made of safety tested rubber or rubber like materials. The critical fall height is an important measurement of the length of fall from any point on the playground equipment. You want to ensure that the playground surface is the correct depth so that if a child falls from the playground, they can fall onto the playground surface safely. Protected area. Check that protective surfacing extends at least 6 feet in all directions from play equipment. For swings, be sure surfacing extends in back and front twice the height of the suspended bar. Dangerous hardware. Check for dangerous hardware like open S hooks or protruding bolt ends. It's important to manually inspect your playground annually to see if it meets your safety standards. Make sure spaces that could trap children, such as openings in guardrails or between ladder rungs, measure less than 3.5 inches or more than 9 inches. Check for sharp points or edges in playground equipment. Hazards. Look out for tripping hazards like exposed concrete footings, tree stumps, and rocks. Make sure elevated surfaces like platforms and ramps have guardrails to prevent falls. Here are some tips for parents. A playground should have landing surfaces that are soft and deep enough to absorb the impact of a child's fall. Good surfaces use materials such as wood, chips, mulch, sand, pea gravel, or shredded rubber. Grass and soil are not safe because weather changes can make the surfaces harder. Inspect playground equipment for any sharp objects and rusty surfaces that may be unsafe for a child to touch. Raised structures such as slides and or climbing equipment should have handrails and barriers to protect a child from falling. Teach your child not to pick up or play with any garbage from the ground and to tell whichever adult is with them if they find any broken glass or syringes. Supervise your child while they play to monitor any risky or dangerous behavior. Ensure your child is on the proper equipment for their age group. In general, if a child cannot reach a piece of equipment, they should not play on it. Remove any draw Strings, scarves, or other items that could get stuck or caught in playground equipment. Make sure your child's clothing and footwear are secure to minimize the risk of injury. Avoid going down the slide with a young child or toddler. It's actually safer for a child to slide down on their own. Be familiar with first aid in case your child gets hurt. Use child friendly playground safety tips to help your child learn about staying safe. Always wash your hands and your child's hands after playing in the playground, particularly after playing in the sandbox. You could also use hand sanitizer. Some guidance for children. Remind your child that the playground is a public space that they must share with other children. Teach your child to remain patient while waiting for their turn. Your child should play safely and treat others how they would like to be treated. Tell your child to stay away from moving swings and swinging handlebars. Remind your child to hold on to any railings. Teach your child to always slide down feet first and keep their hands near to their bodies. Let's summarize some of the key points. Check playground equipment for any sharp or dangerous surfaces. Teach children playground safety rules and safe behavior. Avoid going down the slide with your toddler. It is safer for them to slide down alone. Remove any clothing that could get stuck in the playground equipment, including bicycle helmets. A child should always be supervised, whether they are at a public playground or splash pad or in your own backyard. Always wash hands after leaving the playground. Thanks for your time to watch my video. Do remember to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos to encourage me and my team. The rules are in place to keep us out of harm. Have a good time. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.